Welcome to today's modular classroom. Are you tired of spending a lot of hours in designing diagrams for your research papers or any kind of presentations? So now you can simply type your process in your raw text and this particular AI which helps you to instantly convert into a workflow diagram. So this saves your time on drawing, create clear professional visuals, and it is really perfect for research papers, project reports, and presentations. So you can turn your ideas into ready to use diagrams in really seconds. So which is quick, accurate, and more effective methods, especially for researchers. And it's really a wonderful AI tool for all the researchers where you can generate your workflow diagram in an instant manner. It helps you to generate it instantly. So once you enter into napkin.ai, you have to sign up and create an account. So now let's explore how it works because I already have created an account on Napkin AI. I'm taking you to this particular interface which lets you to create a content on. So we are entering into this napkin, and now I have given a text on supervised learning. Generally, a supervised learning is a type of machine learning where this model is trained on the label data set. So two examples are being given: predicting the house prices and email spam reduction. So now I have selected email spam reduction. For that, once there will be a real one a small symbol here. Once if it you click on that, this some images or workflow diagrams are being created. Lot of diagrams are being generated. Once you click on lightly drag onto the one diagram, it really appears the right side, and whatever diagram you like you can select. So here really differentiates between the classification and regression. So classification, it categorizes the data into classes, whereas regression predicts continuous values. It gives you wonderfully in a diagrammatic manner. So with various styles, whatever style you like, you can apply and you can save it as an image. So if you like this, you can click on to that and then you can download and save this as an image. So your workflow diagram will be ready. And for example, if you want to change, I'm selecting this example one for predicting house prices. I need a workflow diagram. So here I just can select and then I can change to generate the content based on that. Or I can also click on new app napkin. So I can give it as a blank napkin, or you can import, or you can create with the AI, and many of these three options have been available. So the napkin has been created. So when you want to go for journal paper writing, especially for the researchers, they can easily generate their workflow. They can enter their methodology and let the napkin tool generate the workflow diagram for them, and it creates wonderfully really in seconds. And since the network is too slow, it's been taking time, but other than that, it lets you to create the image and generate the images in seconds. So now we can select on this particular text, either the whole text or a simple text, and click on this blue symbol which generates your visual. And once you click on, it generates within seconds, and you can find the styles of various images or the visuals which it generates. So look, it gives wonderfully the various options of a supervised learning process. It divides into labeled, model training, prediction, and accurate predictions. There are various options which applies is being generated, and whatever style we want we can select based on that. Just if I want only on predicting the house prices, I can select and I can click on generate the visual, so the visual will be generated. And really it's a very helping tool. See, it's generate as a flow chart or a wonderful tool really, which converts your raw text into a visual. And based on the variety of options of designing the visual, you can select whichever you the one you like. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for further updates.